AIREC, Japan's AI Carebot revolution. Japan is facing a challenge. Its population is aging rapidly and there isn't enough caregivers for keeping up. But technology might have the answer. Meet AIREC, a 150kg AI-powered robot designed to assist with elderly care. It can turn patients over, help them sit up, and even put socks on. Tasks that are essential but physically demanding for human caregivers. With only one applicant for every 4 nursing jobs, Japan's care sector is under pressure. Some facilities are already using small robots to assist with group exercises and nighttime monitoring. But fully interactive care robots like AIREC could be a game changer. Of course, developing such advanced technologies takes time. AIRECs won't be ready until 2030, and with an initial cost of $67,000, it's an expensive solution. But with Japan's workforce shrinking and demand for elderly care rising, robots have become a necessary part of the future. The goal? The future with robots and humans working together, ensuring quality care and support for Japan's ageing population. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.